about a year and a half ago. We were going through a stage of frustration with soap dispensers. There was a soap dispenser that was being trialled that I wasn't that confident in, but apparently it was smart at the time. And then you and I had that conversation that one night about why we would stick with the current soap dispensers. And I said to you, how are we going to match the data? How are we going to get the data back? How, these people are reading how many times a soap dispenser goes off. And you were like, well, IoT. And I said, IoT, well, what the hell is that? I had no idea. And you said, I'll show you. And I gave you a space to operate in, a space to test it. And the next thing I knew, we were getting some strange data back. Like everybody thinks that people go into a toilet, they flush once, and that's that. But you were telling me that people are flushing 3 times, and people are not washing their hands as much as we thought of in one bathroom and more in another. And I started to think, well, geez, okay, this can really be something that can help us in the future. And then I'm not going to talk too much about the 3D platform, but the story of how that platform came to be is quite hilarious, because we had the flat dashboard that you'd created that brought everything back into it. And because of ISS testing that one product, they had got the word out around and about that we had smart bathrooms in T2. And our boss had decided to invite some people over to have a look at our smart bathrooms from another international airport. And I stood there going, well, hold on. First of all, we're trialing what we've got in another terminal, or actually in a taxi rank. And now we need to have it in T2, and we have to have something that's presentable. And then you and I went and did that 3-week stint where you found the world platform. We went and spoke to the guys, and they managed to get it all together and whack it in. And we went and presented to these people smart bathrooms. And at that time, it was still more or less a concept. Today, it's a reality. I mean, you look at the byproduct. We've managed to monitor flow of water so accurately that actually it's allowed us to tweak how much water we use. It's allowed us to add aerators to taps, which has shown how much water that is actually saved physically. It's just phenomenal. For us as an airport, this aspiration is to be carbon neutral in the next 5 to 10 years. This is the technology that we need to make sure that we stay on top of things, that we make sure that we monitor every inch of water usage. But equally, our passengers, our customers are all satisfied because they never run out of soap because we know when it's emptying. They never run out of blue water because it's always blue because we know when it's emptying. Toilet paper readily available. Cleaners are on top of it because they can see it. And we can detect if the smell in the bathroom is affecting people and people's experience. And the best thing about it all is that now people can actually feed back to us in real time. So they click the Feedback Now application, and we know if there's a problem, and it's real time. So smart, what it originally started out with was I just wanted to monitor some soap and some blue water, but it's ended up being so much more. And I think it's a great product. I think it's got great legs. And I look forward to what we're going to do with it in the future, if I'm honest.